Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to see your snoozed friends on Facebook using your PC, following the latest update. If you've ever snoozed someone and want to check who's on that list, this guide will make it simple and easy. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will open a new menu with several options. From here, click on Content Preferences. This is where Facebook organizes various settings related to what you see in your feed. Once inside Content Preferences, look for the section labeled Snooze. Click on it to access all the people, pages, or groups you've temporarily muted. Now, to narrow it down specifically to your friends, locate the search bar at the top of this page. Next to it, there's a filter option. Click on it and choose Friends Only. This will display only the friends you've snoozed. And that's it. You now have a complete list of your snoozed friends. From here, you can decide whether to keep them snoozed or let their updates reappear in your feed. This feature is a great way to manage your Facebook experience without unfriending or permanently unfollowing anyone. It helps you stay in control of your news feed while maintaining connections with friends. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.